What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Thanks for joining me for another episode. So today, it's Saturday of Memorial Day weekend, and we're doing a big 5-yard mulch job. And I edged the beds, of course, with the little Wonder Bed Edger. Boy, is that ever a lifesaver. I'll show you guys the finished product, but anyway. So we got all the beds weeded, got them all edged, got the edge all cleaned out, basically ready to start mulching. And then the last step before I mulch, I take the weed trimmer and I trim along the edge so it trims the grass to a nice edge as well. And so I'm going along trimming the edge, and I'm walking back by the front of the house, and I realized that I picked up a rock and I broke the customer's front door. They have like a little, you'll see, they have a front door that's like a glass door, and then they have like a recessed area, and then the actual front door. So you could like stand in the little entryway without actually going in the house. So I broke that outside door. So I hate that. I've only done it a couple times, and it hasn't been, the last couple of years I have not broken one, but today I did. So I had to run home and grab a shop vac and an extension cord so I can get all the glass vacuumed up. And the customer is not home right now, so I'm hoping to get everything done before they get home, everything cleaned up, so at least they can open up the door, because I haven't even touched the door yet because I didn't want anything to fall down. I'm hoping I can push most of the glass into the entry part in the area between that outside door and the front door. So we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I'll show you. Unfortunately, it was definitely my fault. I should have been thinking about which way I was weed whacking. Guys, here's a little tip. Just, you have to think about which way the trimmer is spinning, and so then which way you want to trim around, like especially when you get near the house. So hopefully this will help you guys. Like I said, I haven't had a problem like this in a couple of years, so I'm pretty thankful. I do have insurance, but it's not a big enough, it's a pretty standard door, so it's probably not going to be that terribly bad, so I'll just probably pay for it out of pocket. So alright guys, we'll show you the mess up, the goof up, whatever you want to call it. Part of the job. That's one thing, guys, I don't get too worked up about. If something like that happens, it's definitely not the end of the world. We just get it fixed, move on. Alright guys, we wrapped this one up pretty quickly. Happy Memorial Day, by the way, guys. Thank you so much. If you're a veteran watching, thank you so much for your service. I really appreciate it, and I mean that sincerely. Thank you. So guys, I think we actually expanded this about 18 inches or so. Turned out really, really well. We added the rocks right there. That was awesome. Awesome job. Turned out really, really nice. We still are not quite done, actually, guys. Not quite. We still need 1 yard, but obviously today's Memorial Day and they're closed. So up around the house there, all around the edge there. And right back there in the corner is where we need another yard, so my mom will be taking care of that tomorrow, since this week is going to be really crazy. So since I can only mow a few days, so it's not going to be fun. So got around the house, got around this tree, so that corner is the last thing. So alright guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to record at all this week, so you might not see anything after this for a little while, so stay tuned though. Alright, we'll see you.